Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. I am Tanjia Afrin, lecturer Finance and Banking Department, Milestone College. Today I took a new STEM for you where we will learn how to find out the portfolio expected rate of return and portfolio risk. It means portfolio standard deviation. Now I am telling the STEM. Mrs. Borsha invested fund, it means her fund, in both project equally. This is the very important line here because we know about this line. Invested fund in both project means two project equally. Equally means rationally 50%, 50%, 0.50, 0.50. This is the information here because we will find out the weight of two projects through this line. The other informations are as follows. The conditions means the financial condition of both projects we can categorize in three ways: poor, average and good. Project M and N are the both projects. The rate of returns are 12%, 15%, 19% of project M and 14%, 17%, 21% rate of return of project N, and the probabilities are 0.10, 0.20 and 0.30s. The expected rate of return of project M is 11.60% and expected rate of return of project N is 15.80%. Standard deviation, it means risk, of project M is 3.32% and project N is 11.91%. All these are the informations of Mr. Borsha's invested project. Number A, find out portfolio rate of return of Mrs. Borsha. It means we have to find out the portfolio rate of return of this project, mutually or combinations, we can say it. And number B, second requirement, if correlation is 0.95, here the correlation, what is the portfolio risk or portfolio standard deviation, I can say that. Here means in this project, according to this project. Now I am doing the solution. Please focus here, my dear student. This is the information. It means STEM, full of information. We have to look at here very attentively. Two requirements. Number A is portfolio expected rate of return. We can denote it by R bar P. R bar means rate of return and P portfolio, and the formula is WN M R bar M. Here the two projects name is M and N plus W N R bar N. Sets, it mean M M and N N together. Here the informations are W M, it means 50%. From that line, equally Mrs. Borsha invested in two projects or both projects, or 0.50 or 5. W N also 50% equally, that I already told you, 0.50 mean 50%, 50%. Then R bar M equals to, according to STEM, 11.60% and R bar N, according to STEM or information, 15.80%. All these are the information, and I am putting all the information here in formula. So 0.50 multiply 11.60 here plus 0.50 multiply 15.80. This is the math, and we have to calculate it through calculator, and the answer is 15.70%. This is the answer of portfolio expected rate of return of both project. Requirement A already I have done, and now I am doing second requirement. It means I am erasing. Look at here, my dear students, focus the formula and the applications, and this is the result here. Now requirement B. Requirement B, portfolio risk or standard deviation. Deviation, we can denote it by sigma denoted P. Sigma is the sign of standard deviation and P means portfolio, and the formula is root over a large root over W M square standard deviation M square plus W N square standard deviation N square plus 2 multiply, all are multiply, W M standard deviation M, all these are the multiply sign, W N standard deviation N, and last multiply relation rho M N. This is all the formula, and root over whole root over. That's why I told you large root over, and the formula is long here, but there is a technique to memorize it. That's you, my dear students, look at here, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and lastly rho. This is a technique to remember it. Although this is a large scale formula, large size it means, so it's a technique to remember it. That's a square, it means a, b square it means b, 2ab and rho ab. Now I am writing the all values. Already I write here, and sigma m equals to 3.32 according to STEM. Sigma n equals to 11.91, and rho mn, the correlation of both project is 0.95 as a STEM. Now I am putting all the values here, large root over, and now I am putting 0.50 square multiply 3.32 square, okay, plus again 0.50 square, although it's equally invested, that's why again the standard deviation n means 11.91 square plus 2.50 multiply 3.32 multiply 0.50 multiply 11.91, here the point, and row AB, the value AB means M in here, 0.95, 0.95. This is the values and I already put it on the formula, and I am checking again because this is a long formula. Yes, I am putting all these values here. Now we have to calculate through calculator. You can calculate, my dear students, and here the result is 7.55%. This is the answer of portfolio risks, or we can say it portfolio standard deviation. For today, that's all, my dear students.